here inside with the papaya tree. Seemingly okay. All the leaves are crushed because of the frost blanket here and there. But that's not the main problem. It's fine since the main plant itself is fine. Even through 20-degree weather, flowers are intact, and the main stem itself, the plant, is doing fine. Warming. Although the tree in here made it under the second frost blanket in the barrel, this one's doing fine. This one and this one sadly did not make it. Obviously, since it's just one layer, it got much colder than the two layers. All the leaves look like they've died due to frost. But up to here, it's squishy, but the base itself still looks strong. Nice and sturdy. So I'm sure when spring comes around, we can cut it back and it will grow down. So hopefully only the leaves itself are dead. We also have a smaller one here, which seems to have the same issue. Just until here, it's squishy and dead. But the whole base itself still looks strong. So even this one has a chance to make it through the winter. It's almost February and the weather shows continuous weather's above 30 degrees. So I thought it would be a good idea to remove the papaya cover to let it grow in the warm weather. And that's a good thing for this place. Look at a nice cozy little area in here. I don't know, I turned off the lights since yesterday because the weather was fine. It's regrowing because this looks like it's only dried up to here. Since we covered most of it, we have tons of sprouts everywhere.
What does it do?
It's just side branches. Usually papaya grows long. Now that we have multiple sides, our papaya will go thick. One break. This one has a...
Oh my goodness.
Still alive after all that coverage. Yes. So this one is definitely more alive. You can still see flowers over here and tons of new leaves coming out. Even though the leaves on the sides have snapped because of the frost blanket's pressure, still tons of new growth, which is what we need. This papaya here on this side didn't have a barrel and it didn't have two frost blankets, so it took damage, but you can see it only died to over here. There's still tons of new growth, so this actually didn't die either. It's just that that one did better because that one didn't die back at all. This one got cut back. So I'll chop this down up to here and you'll have tons of new papaya shoots growing from the sides. As of now, this was a success. The one on the right side survived completely. The left side's just top died and still alive, so this is a success.